Good morning, Voyagers, and welcome back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your midwinter break 1.0, 2.0 coming up here in the middle of February. Today is the 25th of January 2019. Our weather, it is cold. High temperature today is 17 degrees. Right now is the warmest it's going to be all day. It's going to get colder as the day goes on. Low tonight of a whopping 5 degrees. 40% chance of snow. I can tell you it's a 100% chance anyways, because on my way in, there was all kinds of snow on 69. PBI's expectation for this week has been the bus, even though you guys haven't really been on the bus this week, but we know that we need to be safe, meaning we need to stay seated at all times, keep your body inside the bus, especially when it's this cold. Frostbite can set in real fast. Keep your feet on the floor, report all problems to your driver. Walk to the bus once it has stopped. It's very icy out right now, so you need to be very careful. Make sure you're doing that. Keep your backpack in your lap and a voice level of a 1 on the bus. Just talk with the people who are around you. Watch those bus tapes. I know you guys aren't doing that voice level 1. We need to do a better job. Hands and feet to yourself. Keep your food and drink in your backpack before entering the bus. Bus drivers got to clean those things up and at the end of the day, the end of their shift. So please make sure that you're trying to do a good job of keeping those clean for them. That's greatly appreciated. We also want to say congratulations to all of our students who have been showing growth on NWEA and their Fontes and Pinnell testing. You should be very proud of the hard work that you have put in. Teachers, I sent out an email yesterday. NWA window has been extended. Aaron Parrott sent that one out. And then also all your Fontes and Pinnell testing, I believe I said was February 8th, must be in Illuminate as well. So also please make sure you're filling out that Google Doc as well. Thank you for doing that. Really appreciate that. Our lunch day is half-day lunch, I think. They didn't really say on the website. Hopefully that's what they've got going on, but they haven't worked in 2 days either. So hopefully you'll get some crunchy baby carrots today. Monday, as of right now, we're looking at home-style beefaroni, garlic toast, fresh fruit, green beans, and some crunchy baby carrots. Oh, happy day on Monday. Monday, supposed to get more snow. Oh, come on. Enough snow already. But I actually live in Michigan. We should be used to it, right? The 25th, which is today, is a half day for students. Staff, I sent out an email today reminding you of your locations for this afternoon. Please make sure that you were there on time and engaged. Make sure you bring the necessary resources as well. I know I got to make sure I have a fully charged laptop, so that's what I'll be doing. The 30th, which is next Wednesday, is going to be our Martin Luther King Jr. Day celebration. We look forward to have Pastor Brown come in and speak with us on Wednesday. That'll happen at 8:30. So on Wednesday, you really have to come in, eat your breakfast, and then we'll make an announcement to pull everybody down into the gymnasium. Teachers, if you could please cover watch with your students today, our acronym for our assemblies, and then cover it Wednesday morning as well. That would be greatly appreciated. Our Pledge of Allegiance. Nobody got my question last I almost said last week. It was this week, but it feels like last week. What is this flag celebrating in the United States? Hint that 76 is important. It happened in 1776. It is a celebration of something very important. Oh, I just gave you a hint. I accidentally said 1776, so you get 2 hints. 1776 to 1976. It's celebrating something. So hopefully you guys will get that today. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time, that would be greatly appreciated. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements. Please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!